that for the Lord Jesus Christ to say that he did not appoint his one new man to wrath,
right,
but to obtain salvation through our Lord Jesus Christ,
right,
it's going to require physical, bodily resurrection from the dead of millions of people, trillions of people of faith, the people of faith throughout history.
Mm-hmm.
He has power to do it. Why? Because the power that raised Jesus Christ himself from the dead to bodily immortality is the power that will be used to raise all the people who have passed away of faith to bodily immortality. That's what he's teaching in these 19 verses. I'm just going to point out one of these verses here. Verse 12, 1 Corinthians 15. Read it.
Now, if Christ is preached as raised from the dead, how is it that some among you say that there is no resurrection of the dead?
You see, that's what people were coming in and telling them. The Corinthians there. The people in the land saying, there's no such thing as a resurrection from the dead. That's a fairy tale. Not even Jesus rose from the dead. I mean, it's, my friend, the linchpin of Christianity is the resurrection of the dead by the Lord Jesus Christ. Without it, we have nothing.
But we have it.
But we have it.
So therefore we have
everything.